10 laksham.
Yes, you heard it right. 10 lakhs is now the starting CTC for fresher CPAs graduating from Miles. Well, there's more. Miles is now offering a double job guarantee. First guarantee, enroll with Miles and we're going to place you while you're pursuing your CPA. And second, of course, pass your CPA exams and you've got guaranteed jobs with the Big Four and multinational companies waiting for you. And for experienced folks, you're looking at salary hikes anywhere between 80% to 600% post your CPA. Miles is the official recruitment partner for all of the Big Four and multinational companies. As you're aware, Miles has been instrumental in building the ecosystem for CPA in India and scaling up the careers for tens of thousands of Miles alumni. So here's the deal. Guaranteed job with Big Four and multinational companies in India. And on top of that, you've got global mobility options, including US and Canada. With Miles, all this with only 4 exams and in less than a year. Are you ready?